avocado, honey, and olive oil hair mask. The issue: damage. Various factors can cause strand damage: styling tool overuse, hair color, chemical treatments, and more. Help counteract it with an avocado and olive oil hair mask, suggests Zingarino. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, this treatment helps strengthen hair and add shine, she says. The benefits don't stop with strands. An avocado-based mask also helps to rejuvenate and moisturize the scalp, says Joel Warren of the Salon Project salons in Florida, Pennsylvania, and New York. Ingredients: half an avocado, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 3 drops essential oil of choice. Directions: stir ingredients together until fully combined, then apply to wet hair with your fingertips, starting at the bottom and working your way up. Warren suggests wrapping your hair into a bun and covering with a shower cap to help activate the ingredients. Blow dry your shower cap covered hair for 10 minutes. Let it sit for another 20 minutes, then shampoo,